So as you can see, I'm building the set that's over there in the corner. This is what we've got so far. I'm very happy with it so far. This is the Castle Grayskull, essentially, except Ninjago version. Just as I clicked follow, the stream crashed on your side. Oof. Hit that refresh button, hit that refresh button. I feel like that's happened to other people before. Must be a Twitch bug or something. But yeah, thank you for following all the same. I mean, not that you can hear me advising you to click refresh or anything like that. Twitch be twitching, it is. Twitch be doing what Twitch do. Twitching. I feel like Crunk. Squeakers squeaking. Twitches, twitching. Twitch is a true gamer, that's right. Now, what were you streaming, Captain K? I haven't seen you say. I may have missed it. Let me scroll on up here. No, I don't think you have said. Keep your fingers crossed. Mystery package is finding your merch. My fingers are firmly crossed. Firmly crossed, Lalani. I'm confident that it will be the merch arriving soon. We're doing some Smash and got Smush, and you got smushed hard, dude. I can relate. I was playing Smash on stream on Thursday, and it was sad. It was sad times. I swapped to Mario Kart out of embarrassment, and then I got smashed at that too. So it was just an embarrassing time all around. Captain did so well at Smash. Wow, it's just dripping with the sarcasm. You guys should be nicer to your streamer. Come on, guys, be nice. Captain's a sweetheart. Why you gotta do him like that? Trash at Smash? You should play against me sometime. It'll make you feel better about yourself. What a corny nickname. Wait, what's the corny nickname? Oh, Corn Curls. I get it. Haha, got him. Man, you got me good. Excuse me one sec, I have to reach down to my mouse. All good. I don't know how he did. I missed most of it. Ah, fair enough. Don't talk shit if you don't even know, like, if the shit is accurate. What are you building? How big will it be? Well, this is what we've got so far. Right? It's going to be not getting any bigger that ways, but it will be going up to about like there, I think. It's going to be a little bit bigger, but yeah, it mostly goes up from this point onwards, I'm pretty sure. Where does this part go? Oh no, actually it will have like this part that I'm building now will go between there and there, I think. But yes, the picture is over there, but you can also see what I'm building here. This is what it looks like when it's in hell, surrounded by fire and brimstone, I guess. But yeah, it's essentially, oh Jesus, the Castle Grayskull from He-Man, as heavily requested by Proper Barnstar. We need to add a sticker now. I've got to get used to these stickers because Diagon Alley is gonna. I've seen the sticker sheets and there are tons of stickers in Diagon Alley. I'm definitely gonna need Darcy's help with that because I'll need them to be perfect for that set. Yes, Corn, before you say, yes, Diagon Alley is coming. Take a shot, I've mentioned it again. Right. Crap. Trying to get the sticker off now because it was a little bit wonky. More like diagonal alley. I mean it's diagonally. That's the. I wasn't going to actually. I said I wasn't going to meme this one. I messed up on that second one. Well, at least you know when you messed up. Okay. I reached out of my mouse again. Usually I open my mouth. I don't get it. It's diagonally, obviously. Exactly. Something about Lilani? I don't even... Oh, I miss you guys? Oh, of course. We miss you too. Yeah, like Corn said. Calvin's better at Smash than I am, at least 10 times as good, since half the time he knows what buttons to push. Look, I'm so bad at, like, you know, people talk about being able to read what a player's gonna do and that sort of thing. I just have zero reaction time. I think that's my problem. I cannot react to things. I'm basically a glorified button masher. What are the tunes? Let me link it for you. We're listening to the Stream Beats Synthwave playlist. There you go. By Harris Heller. So this is all open domain, so you can listen to it on stream and not worry about getting DMCA'd. Played with a friend that was really good, and he said I was unpredictable, something about using a move at times where no one would dare to use them. Interesting. Because you button mash? Maybe that's why I fluke some wins here and there. I have been told I have a very unique playstyle, but that's just that I dodge way too much for no reason. And button mash. How many bags in the set and what bag are you finishing now? We are finishing up bag number 6. And I think that was 10 bags. Yeah, we're finishing up number 6. So 4 more to go, but they're all kind of, they're not huge bags or anything. So we should be able to finish by a relatively reasonable time, I hope. By the way, everyone in chat should subscribe to the Community Steamed Hams, or contribute to the Community Steamed Hams channel points challenge, by the way. If you haven't already, and are on PC, since it doesn't work on mobile for some reason, yes. Please do contribute.